Good afternoon. Today I will be explaining you the important concept of scientific attitude. The word attitude is not new for us. We will be hearing the word very frequently in our day-to-day life activities or experiences. So let us see what actually is scientific attitude in general. It is generally referred to as one's inclination towards anything. It is nothing but the readiness of an individual towards the pursuit of scientific knowledge. Inclination is very much essential for an individual to show any such attitude. This is shown in the form of a specific behavior. It can either be covert in nature or overt in nature. Similarly, the attitude can either be positive or negative. But scientific attitude is generally referred to as an individual's inclination towards a specific topic. The National Society for Science Education has defined scientific attitude as open-mindedness, a desire for seeking accurate knowledge, confidence in the procedure of seeking knowledge, and the expectation that the solution to the problem will come through the use of verified knowledge. So from this definition, it is very much clear that it is not one single attribute which constitutes scientific attitude of an individual learner, but there are several attributes connected with open-mindedness. Now let us try to see the characteristics of a person with scientific attitude. Which are they? They are open-mindedness, establishes cause and effect relationship, do not accept anything without strong proof, always make clear and precise decision, intellectually honest, suspends his judgment, free from superstitions, prejudice and bias, think reflectively and divergently, critical in his observations, honest and truthful in recording observations and data, skepticism, curious to know about the external world, and quest for new knowledge. So I'll be explaining you in detail these characteristics of a person with scientific attitude in the next video. Thank you.